What is up, peeps? Welcome back to The Honest Wife. My name is Christina. If you're new here, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. So I just thought I would take you guys along the journey of our very first DIY project. And here is my husband. We're at Home Depot together, and we're just picking out the necessity items we need for this project. We had to pick up 2x4s. My husband had to build that table. We needed something to set everything on for painting. And so here he is just removing the hinges on the front doors of the hutch. He is starting to take everything apart before we sand everything down. Here my husband is just teaching me how to use the sander and how to be careful with rounding the edges so I don't press too hard and sand down like the little buttons that are there and sand too hard around the corners. So that's what he's doing here and teaching me before I do it myself. So I wanted to show you guys the drawers before painting and what they look like. And then I wanted to show you guys the entire hutch, what it looked like before we started taking everything apart and sanding and painting. So here my husband is sanding all the really detailed areas, which was a lot of work because there was a lot of detail on the hutch, as you can see, especially up there on the top. But my husband also removed the back of the hutch as well because it was like an old piece of plywood and it was like this ugly brown color. So we removed that and we're gonna get a new one and paint it and put it on there. So here I'm just using a rag to wipe down the doors and the drawers of the hutch just to get off all the sawdust from sanding. So that's what I'm doing here. So this is what the drawers look like with the dark charcoal gray chalk paint that we used from Walmart. And this is about a week after letting them dry. And this is what they look like. We had to use like at least 2 or 3 coats of paint just because the wood was so old. And we probably didn't have to sand down the whole entire hutch, but we decided to do it anyways. As you can see here, there's a lot of patchiness. So that was just like the first coat of paint here. All right, this is what the hutch looks like after we're all done. We finally got it put into our brand new house. I had my husband put it in our formal dining area, and this is what it looks like after we're all done. And I'm so happy with the results. It looks amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you in the next one.